Well, you have questions, and we're working to get you answers on issues related to the pandemic. And tonight, Fox 12's Simon Gutierrez digs a little deeper into the coronavirus restrictions that we've seen and why some states that have eased up on them have not seen a spike in cases.
This question comes to us from a viewer who is interested specifically in the state of Texas, whose governor recently lifted all of the state's coronavirus restrictions, including the statewide mask mandate. Weeks later, the state's COVID-19 case count is actually lower.
There's kind of a curious situation in the state of Texas where at the beginning of March, the governor basically lifted all COVID-19 restrictions, lifted the mask mandate. Most people expected a surge in cases. What we've seen is the opposite. We've seen cases drop dramatically. What could you say about that, and what could be happening there?
So, yes, the governor lifted the mandates in Texas, the masking mandates. However, what businesses did was actually the opposite. Businesses have come out and said, we still require people to wear masks. My family is in Texas, in the Dallas metro area, and they own businesses in that area, and they still practice COVID protective behaviors.
What can we expect over the next couple of weeks and months as more people get vaccinated? Are we going to see a lifting of restrictions here as well, do you think?
The only way we lift restrictions is if our case counts go down. And vaccination is one tool of ensuring that the case counts go down.
Public health experts say 80% of Oregonians will need to be vaccinated before the state reaches some level of herd immunity. The director of the Oregon Health Authority has said that might not be until the fall. I'm Simon Gutierrez, Fox 12 Oregon.